yung bantok mo.
Kaya nga eh. Aray ko. You're going to fish pond? Yan guys, bago kami makarating sa fish pond. Ito yung dadaanan mo muna. Yung mga magagandang tanawin sa... Ang gagawa mo dyan, ma?
Tingin ako kung may tuway dito.
Ay, ganun ba yun? Sa gilid-gilid?
There's no the big water. The water is gone.
Oh, may tuway nga. Oh.
That's the way.
Patingin, ma.
Wala, joke lang. Tuway-tuway lang, kumari lang.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, keep more walking, ma.
Keep more walking na daw.
Keep more walking, ma.
Sige na, mag-walking na dyan. May titiin nga lang si Lola. Kung mayroon dito, kukunin natin.
Pag ano, ma, pag paguhit, yun na yun. Pero pag butas, wala.
Yes. I see.
Come on, let's go.
Just wait, anak.
Gusto mo talaga makikita ang tuway?
Mm-mm.
Wala kitang lagyan ng diwat.
Ay, bakit nga pala di tayo ano, ma?
Hindi ako nagdala ng lalagyan. Ito ay.
Agoy.
Tabi po.
Say tabi-tabi po daw.
Binabi polo god.
Nag-wiswis kasi siya, ma.
Uy, very good. Ganon, dabi-dabi po.
Oh, say tabi-tabi po. Nagkanda bulol-bulol pa yan.
Dabi-dabi po. Diyan sa kabila.
Say tabi-tabi po. Bulol-bulol.
Dabi. Uy, bulog yung lula.
Ano yung mga tanim na yan, ma? Yung mga ganyan.
Hindi yan tanim.
Ay,
Tububo lang.
pero
Pagat-pat.
pero ang galing no, para siyang tanim. Kasi uniform. Pagat-pat.
Now we're going to go to the fish pond.
We're almost there.
Well, almost.
Yeah, we're almost there. Hindi na tayo tatagos dun sa may kawayan kasi lumulundo yung kawayan, anak. Mama is scared.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm here. Don't be scared.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just really far.
Where is Lola? She is so far away from us.
Come on, keep on walking. Go fast, hurry.
Keep more walking nga kasi. Oy, ang cute ng ano guys, oh. Mga birds. There's a lot of birds. Ayan, oh.
Ma,
They are free.
where
Where are
are you?
you? Yeah, we have to keep more walking.
Keep my walking, gong gong.
Ay, naku. What is that? Oh, Lola is missing. Where's Lola?
Lola went far away.
Lola!
Lola!
Ayun. Yeah, come here.
That is Lola, Mama. Lola is gone.
No, it's not gone. She is finding some tuway.
Lola. Lola's finding some fish.
Some fish.
The fish on the ground and needs water.
Dito lang tayo, oh.
Dito.
Opo, dito tayo sa may malilim. Yan, dito tayo.
Ano? Here.
Mm-mm.
Wait! Hey, where's that you? This is you! What is you? Hey, where's that? Hey, where is? Hey, where now?
Stop yelling, anak.
Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey.
Ah,
We did some sand.
slowly. Up, up. Oh, 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 shit. Aray ko. Come here. Make it faster. Kuya, okay lang. Inapakan namin. Come, hold mama.
There's a bunch of
Make it faster na, mama is scared. OMG. Oh, you scared too? We have to wait Lola here.
I found enough mud.
Oh.
Ow! Yeah.
Oh, we can stay here. Lola is approaching, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
This umbrella is so ugly.
You put this one here. And
We're going to stay here. Lola,
No.
no idea.
we have to stay here because Lola is finding some fish and tuwai.
Mama,
Okay?
Mama, Lola's going to just swim under the water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah,
Drink our snack.
no, later na yung snacks. If you...
I want to drink that.
Okay, if you want. Here.
What is that?
It's just a water.
Water. Mama, what is that? What is that? A water bottle?